pick another path.
Wakati mwingine hawezi kupatia msaada.
And at the moment we can lose hope.
Kasataka yebete mama mune.
When our family members have time,
Abo tutoseke miengo nyasai pale.
they cannot help us.
Koma torete.
At the moment,
Imuche kasarata bogaro nyaniye.
they can betray at the moment.
Imuche wamwepeje sai shakala.
What I want to encourage you today,
Acheri merutabrai.
that there is hope in God.
Miyo mangu nete Jehova.
I want to tell you about this psalm.
Kuna unababa tieni tieni.
This is the psalm of David.
Indonga kasarata tienda na Daudi.
As I tell you earlier,
Kwa hiyo mama unekana me.
this was a moment